We will start with section number 8 of this chapter, which is about electronic structures. So first of all, let's start with revising the atomic model. So here is the atomic model. As you can see, we have the nucleus in the center of the atom, and inside the nucleus we have two subatomic particles, which are protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged while neutrons have no charge. Outside the nucleus, we have electrons which are orbiting the nucleus in these electron energy levels. These energy levels are called also shells. So now we will take a deeper look at these electron energy levels. So here is a diagram showing the electron shells or electron energy levels. So as you can see, we have here the first energy level whose number is equal to 1, and this is shell number 1. And this is the second one, which is shell number 2, and this is the third energy level. And of course, we have more energy levels. Energy will increase as we get further from the nucleus. So the first one is lowest in energy because it is the nearest to the nucleus. And these energy levels can hold a certain number of electrons. So this one, the first and lowest energy level, can hold up to 2 electrons only. So you can't place more than 2 electrons in this energy level. The second energy level can hold up to 8 electrons. And once there are 8 electrons in the third level, you will start to fill up the fourth energy level. Beyond the first 20 elements in the periodic table, the situation gets more complex. However, you don't have to worry about this because you only need to know the full arrangement of electrons in atoms of the first 20 elements. So let's look now at electron diagrams. You can draw diagrams to show the arrangement of electrons in an atom. Let's take an example. We have the sodium atom whose atomic number is 11, and thus, because it's a neutral atom, then its atomic number is equal to the number of electrons, which means that the sodium atom has 11 electrons. Let's look now at how to fill these electrons in energy levels. In the first energy level, which is nearest to the nucleus, we will place 2 electrons only. In the second energy level, we will place 8 electrons. Let's add the number of electrons. So 8 plus 2 is 10. However, we have 11 electrons, which means that we have one remaining electron. This electron will be placed now in the third energy level, as you can see. To save drawing atoms all the time, we can write down the number of electrons in each energy level, and this will be called the electronic structure. This sodium atom, which has 11 electrons, has an electronic structure of 2, 8, 1. So let's examine how to write the electronic structure or the electron configuration. So you will start at the lowest energy level, which is the one nearest to the nucleus, and it is the first energy level. You will write the number in each successive energy level or shell, and the numbers of electrons will be separated from each other by a comma. So, in the first energy level, which is the innermost level, we have 2 electrons. We will put a comma, then we will put the number of electrons in the second energy level, which is 8. Again, we will put a comma, and we will put the number of electrons in the third energy level now, which is 1, and so on.